In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a campaign in Klaviyo. We'll walk through the full process from inside your Klaviyo account so that by the end, you'll be confident sending either an email or SMS campaign to your audience. First, once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is your main hub for any one-time sends, like newsletters, promotions, or announcements. From here, go to the top right corner and click Create Campaign. Klaviyo will ask you whether you want this to be an email or an SMS campaign. Choose the one that fits what you're planning to send. Next, give your campaign a clear, descriptive name. This name is just for your internal use in Klaviyo. So make it something you and your team will recognize later, like a product launch or a monthly newsletter. Once you've named it, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to choose who will receive this campaign. You'll see options to select an audience, either a list or a segment. Lists are usually broader groups, while segments are more targeted based on behavior or attributes. Select the appropriate group you want to send to, double-check that it looks right, and then click Continue to Content or Next. On the next screen, you'll set up your core message details. Enter your subject line, which is what people will see in their inbox, and your preview text, which appears as that short snippet under the subject. Take a moment to make these clear and enticing. Then, confirm your sender details, like the from name and email or phone information, so recipients know who the message is coming from. To design your email, click Email Library. Here, you can pick an existing template from the library, or choose a saved template you've already created. This saves a lot of time and helps keep your branding consistent. Once you've selected a template, you'll move into the editor to customize your design. Update the text, images, buttons, and links to match your campaign. Make sure everything lines up with your goal for this send. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done or Next in the top right. You'll now be taken to the review stage. Click Next to Review Campaign. Carefully look over all the details: audience, content, subject line, and timing. If everything looks good, click Schedule or Send. Finally, choose whether you want to send now or schedule it for a specific date and time in the future. Once you've picked your option, click Schedule, and your campaign is set.